Audi's crossover assault on America is being led by a new vehicle, one that harkens back to the old Quattro days. The two dudes take the Q8 for a spin.
There was a time when driving an Audi meant status, power, and perfection. The silver rings gleamed like a badge of modern nobility, the kind of car that turned heads on every street corner. But what if I told you that many of these once $90 Audis, luxurious, powerful, and tech-packed, are now sitting unwanted, collecting dust in used car lots, some selling for less than the price of a brand new Toyota Corolla? How did one of the world's most admired car brands lose its sparkle so fast? What dark truths lie behind those four iconic rings? Today, we're uncovering why $90,000 Audis, cars that once ruled the luxury market, are now being avoided like the plague. Buckle up, because this is the truth Audi doesn't want you to know. 1. The rise of the Audi empire. In the early 2000s, Audi was unstoppable. With its sleek German engineering, Quattro all-wheel drive system, and minimalist yet futuristic design, it became the thinking man's BMW and the stylish alternative to Mercedes. Cars like the A8, S6, and Q7 brought in Hollywood celebrities, tech millionaires, and European elites. Audi commercials boasted, Vorsprung durch Technik, advancement through technology. 2. The $90,000 prestige problem. When you spend $90,000 on a car, you expect it to feel like $90,000. But that's exactly where Audi began to slip. Buyers who once praised the brand started whispering about cheap interiors, fragile buttons, and electrical gremlins. A car that was supposed to symbolize luxury started to feel disposable. 3. The silent killer, depreciation. If there's one word that haunts Audi owners, it's depreciation. A new $90,000 Audi A8 that rolled off the showroom floor could lose more than half its value in just 3 years. That's over $45,000 gone, the equivalent of burning an entire Toyota Camry in cash. Why? Because used buyers didn't want the risk. 4. The hidden costs no one talks about. Luxury cars are expensive to buy, but maintaining them is where the real pain begins. Audi's advanced tech features like air suspension, digital dashboards, and dual-clutch transmissions sounded futuristic, until they started failing. A replacement suspension module? $2,500. A failed MMI infotainment screen? $3,000. An oil leak repair? $1,800. Suddenly, that certified pre-owned $30,000 Audi wasn't such a great deal anymore. Many buyers learned the hard way that owning a used luxury car is like adopting a high-maintenance pet. It'll love you at first, but the bills will drain your soul. And unlike Lexus or Acura, Audi didn't build its reputation on bulletproof reliability, it built it on design and technology. Two things that age terribly when not perfectly maintained. 5. The tech that turned against them. Audi was once the pioneer of in-car technology. Virtual cockpit displays, touch-sensitive climate controls, adaptive matrix headlights, they made every drive feel like piloting a spaceship. But the problem with being first, is that you're also the first to fail. Early models suffered from touchscreen lag, pixel burn-in, and sensor malfunctions. Cars like the 2018 A8 or Q7 were futuristic at launch but quickly became outdated. Software glitches forced many owners to visit service centers repeatedly. As cars aged, those once impressive systems became frustrating liabilities. And in a world where Teslas could update over the air, Audi's advancement through technology started to feel stuck in the past. 6. The Dieselgate fallout. Then came Dieselgate. Though Volkswagen took the public hit, Audi, as part of the VW group, was deeply involved. Millions of diesel engines were found cheating emissions tests. Trust evaporated overnight. Buyers began questioning everything: the brand's integrity, its engineering ethics, its promises. Even though Audi's gasoline models weren't directly affected, the damage was done. The perception of German precision took a global beating. For years, Audi struggled to regain the confidence it had lost, and in the luxury market, trust is everything. Once you lose it, no amount of LED headlights can save you. 7. When rivals evolved, and Audi didn't. While Audi was busy repairing its image, rivals evolved faster than ever. BMW sharpened its performance game. Mercedes doubled down on ultimate luxury and comfort. Tesla revolutionized what premium meant, with electric power and software dominance. Audi, stuck between worlds, couldn't decide who it wanted to be. Was it sporty like a BMW? Comfortable like Mercedes? Or futuristic like Tesla? It tried to be all three. Even the once revered Quattro system felt outdated against modern hybrid drivetrains and EV torque delivery. The $90,000 Audi that once felt cutting-edge now seemed like yesterday's news, overpriced and overcomplicated. 8. The electric era hit too late. Audi's late entry into the EV race was the nail in the coffin. While Tesla was redefining luxury with instant torque and zero emissions, Audi was still fine-tuning its combustion engines. By the time the e-tron arrived, Tesla had already built an entire ecosystem. Yes, the e-tron looked gorgeous and felt premium, but it lacked the range, efficiency, and excitement that EV buyers wanted. At $90,000, it became yet another car nobody truly needed. Used e-trons now sell for less than half their original price, a brutal reminder of how fast the EV landscape shifts. Audi's once legendary innovation felt sluggish, and buyers noticed. 9. The reliability reputation that never recovered. Reliability is the silent deal-breaker in the car world. And Audi never quite shook its reputation for being beautiful but fragile. Surveys from J.D. Power and Consumer Reports consistently placed Audi below Lexus, Toyota, and even BMW in reliability scores. The average repair cost for an Audi was far higher than most competitors. Add in the complexity of turbocharged engines, AWD systems, and software layers, and every service visit became an anxiety-inducing event. Even loyal fans began to question, why am I paying so much for something that breaks so often? And that's the death sentence for any luxury brand, when loyalty turns into exhaustion. 10. The used market meltdown. Scroll through any used car site today, and you'll find hundreds of once $90K Audis, A8s, S7s, Q8s, all selling for a fraction of their original price. Some go for as low as $25,000. Dealers practically beg for buyers, offering warranties, free maintenance, anything to move them. But the word is out. Mechanics warn customers to avoid them. Online forums are filled with horror stories about timing chain failures, electrical gremlins, and endless check engine lights. Even enthusiasts who love the brand admit, these cars are great to drive, terrible to own. And when a luxury brand's desirability fades, depreciation becomes unstoppable. 11. The leasing illusion. Here's another truth Audi doesn't want you to know. Most of their new $90,000 cars are leased, not bought. Why? Because owners know the resale value is dreadful. By leasing, they enjoy the car for a few years, then return it before the real problems begin. That means when those lease returns flood the market, the supply of used Audis skyrockets, pushing prices even lower. Dealers end up sitting on cars nobody wants to finance because maintenance costs scare away buyers. It's a cycle Audi can't seem to escape, a brand that thrives on temporary ownership instead of lasting pride. 12. Design fatigue, when familiar becomes boring. Remember when Audi design was revolutionary? LED headlights, clean lines, bold grills, every Audi looked futuristic. But now? Every model looks the same. From the A3 to the A8, it's a copy-paste job. Buyers started joking that Audi only sells one car in different sizes. The design language that once made the brand cool now makes it predictable. And in a world where luxury is about standing out, Audi's uniformity became its biggest enemy. Even loyalists admit they can't tell one model from another unless they squint at the badges. 13. The emotional disconnect. Luxury cars aren't just machines, they're experiences. BMW connects emotionally with driving enthusiasts. Mercedes seduces with its comfort and prestige. Tesla excites innovation. But Audi? It became cold. Its interiors, though beautiful, felt sterile. Its engines were quiet but uninspiring. Its steering was precise but emotionless. It was all too perfect, and in chasing perfection, Audi lost personality. 14. The social status shift. Once upon a time, an Audi badge said you'd made it. Today, it doesn't carry the same weight. Millennials and Gen Z buyers, the new wave of luxury customers, aren't impressed by brand heritage. They care about tech, efficiency, and authenticity. A Tesla, Polestar, or even a fully loaded electric Hyundai now attracts more attention than a traditional luxury sedan. The concept of old money luxury has changed, and Audi's image hasn't caught up. The younger generation doesn't dream of owning an A8. They dream of owning an experience, and Audi, sadly, became just another expensive commute machine. 15. The pain of ownership. It's one thing to admire a car from afar, another to live with it. Ask long-term Audi owners and you'll hear the same story. It's fun at first, until the warranty ends. Air suspension failure? Thousands. Transmission software update? Hundreds. Minor oil leak? Major bill. Even simple maintenance like brakes or tires cost more than average because of proprietary systems. Owners describe the experience as death by 1,000 invoices. The luxury turns sour, and resentment grows. What once felt like success starts feeling like punishment, and that's why many never go back to Audi again. And if you found this deep dive eye-opening, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because we're uncovering more hidden truths behind the luxury car industry every week. From $150,000 Porsches worth less than Civics, to exotic brands falling apart after just 30,000 miles, this is the hidden cost of luxury, and we're just getting started.